In an increasingly globalized world, managing finances across borders can often feel like navigating a complex maze of high fees, hidden exchange rates, and slow transfers. For individuals and businesses alike, the need for a straightforward, affordable, and transparent solution is more pressing than ever. This is where a Wise account, formerly known as TransferWise, truly shines. As a finance expert, I frequently encounter questions about the best ways to handle international money. While Wise isn't a traditional bank, its unique approach as an e-money institution offers a compelling suite of benefits that often surpass what conventional banks can provide for cross-border financial needs. Let's delve into these advantages, making them easy for anyone to understand. 1. Say goodbye to hidden fees and unfair exchange rates. Perhaps the most significant benefit of a Wise account is its unwavering commitment to transparency and fair pricing. Traditional banks often add a hidden markup to the exchange rate when you send or receive money in a foreign currency. This means you're not getting the true market rate, and that hidden cost can significantly erode the value of your money. Wise, on the other hand, uses the mid-market exchange rate, the real exchange rate you see on independent sources like Google or Reuters. They then charge a small, upfront fee that is clearly displayed before you confirm any transaction. This level of transparency is revolutionary in the financial industry and means you always know what you're paying. No more guessing games or unpleasant surprises after the money has been sent. More money reaches the recipient. By eliminating hidden markups, Wise ensures that more of your transferred funds arrive at their destination, saving you money on every transaction. Greater budgeting control. With clear fees, you can accurately plan your international payments without worrying about unexpected costs. 2. Multi-currency powerhouse, your global wallet. Imagine having a single account that can hold money in over 40 different currencies. This is the essence of Wise's multi-currency account. This feature offers immense flexibility and convenience for anyone dealing with international funds. Receive money like a local. Wise provides you with local bank details, account number, sort code, IBAN, routing number, etc. for many major currencies, including USD, GBP, Euro, AUD, and more. This means you can receive payments from clients, employers, or family members in their local currency, often for free or with minimal fees, just as if you had a local bank account in their country. Avoid unnecessary conversions. If you receive money in euros and need to spend it in euros later, you can keep it in your euro balance without converting it back to your home currency, thus avoiding additional conversion fees. Easy currency switching. When you do need to convert currencies, it's done instantly within your Wise account at the mid-market rate with a low fee, making it effortless to manage funds in different denominations. 3. The Wise debit card, your travel and spending companion. Linked directly to your multi-currency account, the Wise debit card is a game-changer for international spending and travel. Its benefits include: spend like a local. When you use your Wise card in a country whose currency you hold in your account, there are no conversion fees. Smart conversions. If you don't have the local currency in your account, the card intelligently converts funds from your available balances at the mid-market rate with a low conversion fee. This eliminates the need to carry large amounts of cash or to incur expensive foreign transaction fees often charged by traditional bank cards. Worldwide acceptance. The Wise card is accepted anywhere Visa or MasterCard is, allowing you to spend in over 150 countries. ATM withdrawals. You can withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide, often with a generous free allowance each month, saving you on expensive bank withdrawal fees. Enhanced security. Manage your card easily through the Wise app, freeze/unfreeze it instantly, generate virtual cards for online purchases, and receive real-time transaction notifications, giving you greater control and peace of mind. 4. Streamlined business operations. For freelancers, small businesses, and even larger enterprises with international dealings, a Wise business account offers a host of benefits that simplify complex financial operations. Easier international payments. Pay overseas staff, suppliers, and contractors with low, transparent fees and at the real exchange rate. Receive payments globally. Get paid by international clients just like a local business, using your Wise local account details. This significantly reduces receiving fees and speeds up payment collection. Batch payments. Send money to up to 1,000 recipients in a single transaction, perfect for payroll or paying multiple freelancers. Accounting software integration. Seamlessly connect your Wise account with popular accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, and FreeAgent, automating reconciliation and reducing manual admin. Team cards and permissions. Issue debit cards to team members and set custom spending limits and permissions, providing greater control over business expenses. 5. Speed and convenience. In today's fast-paced world, speed matters. Wise understands this, offering fast transfers. Many Wise transfers arrive instantly or within minutes, far quicker than traditional bank transfers that can take days. User-friendly platform. Both the Wise website and mobile app are intuitively designed, making it simple to set up transfers, manage balances, and track transactions from anywhere, at any time. Rate alerts. Set up alerts to notify you when your desired exchange rate is met, allowing you to send money at the most opportune moment.